Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota Hilux Surf. Has 134,301 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3RZ FE 2.7 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Hilux Surf is 4-wheel drive. Comes with 4 doors and a rear hatch. This vehicle is both practical and versatile. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. That number that you're seeing right there, 216,139. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 134,301. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd love to answer them for you. I would like to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It really does mean a lot to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.